Hi guys, it's me Wolves here, and I finally got back to my mascot. This jammer, she said that she's going to make a portrait of my mascot. I even have the jammergram. Would you like me to make a masterpiece of you, pretty please? So I'm actually going to let her make a masterpiece of this character and put it in my den, and yeah, so I'm going to put it in my den, and yeah, hopefully she's a good artist. Either way, I would be fine with whatever. I'm listening to music, I apologize, guys. No more. Mom, I can't sleep, wake out of bed. I'm gonna try to draw myself right now. Basement and discreetly. Wait, this is actually really good. This is my mascot. Drawing. Metal. Just. I'm actually pretty good at drawing with a mouse. Also, guys, I'll do other things besides Animal Jam if you'd like me to. I'll basically play whatever game, but I really like Animal Jam. I've played Animal Jam ever since it came out. So I just didn't want to make a channel out of it because I was too young. So I don't physically even know. We're gonna go back. Okay. Doesn't he have... Yeah, he has... Okay. A little bit smaller. I was drawing a portrait of myself. If she asks, why were you gone? I'm gonna say, sorry, I was drawing a portrait of myself. Lol, that would sound so sad. Because, she's already making one. But I am going to appreciate what she gives me. I can't remember if that part of him is... I hate having to... I think his tail's... Yeah, and then it has, But I'm speeding this up so that you guys don't have to. That's why I talk so chipmunky. Because I don't want you guys sitting there at your screen be like, what the heck is going on? But I'm drawing a portrait of myself. I'm trying to remember my mascot. He has a Warren. He has a pink Warren. I'm so afraid of messing this up, like... And then his hat is, like, extra confusing, because there's, like, this part of it, like, I don't even know if there's... No, those are... I'm just gonna do random whatever. Oh, no! Go back. That was scary. Okay, now we gotta do his face, his muzzle, and then he has a white. Okay. Just drawing out his eye. Okay, I need to redo that. That's really sketchy. See what that looks like. And then he has like orangish eyes. Go back. We're gonna make that a little bit more firm. And then we're gonna color some white in. Okay, and let's put why isn't this not working? Oh wow. Oh, go back. Rainbowness. This is like indigo, or yeah. There we go. Let's create this as a den item. Oh wait, I need to put my information right here. Warren. 6. Does that even look like a 6? 1, 8. This is beautiful. Yes, I want to buy it. Oh my goodness. I have a token. Do I want to create this masterpiece? I'm gonna spend my diamonds. I don't care. Okay, there we go. What is she doing? She's still alive? I don't know how long it's gonna take for them, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I did a little thing with my mascot. So that's what masterpiece tokens are used for. I should just use it. It was worth it because it was adorable. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, darn it, I messed it up. I messed his hat up. Nah, you can't really tell anyway. If you guys enjoyed, I'll see you guys in the next video.